All right, let's jump right in. There's a massive digital shift coming in 2025. And believe me, it is going to completely reshape how businesses all across the Caribbean get things done. We're not just talking about getting new gadgets. We're talking about a whole new way of thinking, a new way of working.
So I have to ask you straight up, is your business really ready for this? And yeah, I'm talking to you, the entrepreneurs, the creators, the people providing amazing services who are, let's face it, the heart and soul of our local economy. The clock is definitely ticking, and getting ready now is everything. Because here's the deal, in 2025, this whole digital shift thing stops being a buzzword you can kind of ignore. Nope, it becomes the new reality of how business is done, period. And adapting, it's not just about growing anymore, it's about survival. It's about staying relevant. Now, I know the term AI can sound a little intense, a bit intimidating, but let's reframe that. Forget about complex, scary technology. I want you to picture artificial intelligence as your new business partner. Seriously, a partner that's amazing at turning those everyday headaches into actual opportunities. So, what is it, really? Let's cut through the jargon. At its heart, AI is just a tool. It's a tool that automates the boring stuff, makes sense of all your data, and can even chat with your customers for you. Honestly, just think of it like the best, most powerful assistant you could ever hire. And this visualizes the change perfectly. Over on the left, you see the old way, the burnout zone, right? Buried in paperwork, drowning in admin, just kind of guessing with your marketing budget. But on the right, that's the AI way. Workflows that run themselves, smart help that's always on, and decisions based on actual data. It's a huge leap from being overwhelmed to being smart and efficient. So let's dig into that first big win, automating your workflow. This is all about one simple, beautiful idea, getting more done with way less effort. No, really, just pause for a second and imagine that. What would you do if you just got a few extra hours handed back to you every single week? Hours that you're not spending on boring admin, but on the big picture, on being creative, on actually growing your business, or maybe just catching your breath. That's the promise of automation. And check out how simple this can be in real life. Let's say a customer books a service on your website. Boom. An AI tool instantly confirms it and pops it right into your calendar. The day before, it shoots off a friendly reminder to them. And your job in all of this? You just focus on what you're great at, delivering amazing service. No more endless email chains or frustrating no-shows. Okay, so saving time, that's huge. But AI's power doesn't stop there. Let's move on to boosting your marketing and your customer service. We're talking about connecting with more people and doing it better than ever before. I mean, this is the million-dollar question for every single one of us in business, right? How do you find that next customer? And maybe even more importantly, how do you give them such a great experience that they stick around? Well, AI has some surprisingly powerful answers. And this chart breaks it down so nicely. So if your goal is to get more leads, AI marketing tools can help you write social media posts that actually get attention. If you want to improve your service, an AI chatbot can answer all those frequently asked questions instantly, any time of day or night. And if you need to make better plans, AI can analyze your sales data and find patterns you would have never seen on your own. Now, this all sounds pretty great, but I know what you might be thinking. This feels huge. The key is making it feel achievable. So let's talk about how you can start. Not next month, not next week. Today. These are your very first steps. And it really is this simple. You don't need a massive budget. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Getting started really just takes 3. Okay, step 1. Just think of one thing, one single, repetitive, time-sucking task in your business. Got it? Good. Step 2, go online and just search for free AI tools that do that one thing. You'll be shocked how many are out there. And finally, step 3, the most important one, just experiment. Play around with it. Start small, see what you like, and just build from there. Because here's the cool part. When you take that one small step, you're doing more than just improving your own business. You're actually plugging into a bigger vision. The future is absolutely digital, and when we all embrace these tools, we're building a stronger, more creative, and more powerful Caribbean business community together. And this quote just says it all. This isn't some passing fad. This transformation is the new foundation. It's the ground floor that we're all going to build on for future growth and innovation right here in the Caribbean. So I want to leave you with this question to chew on. When you have more time in your day and you have smarter tools in your hands, What will you build? What amazing new idea will you finally bring to life? What's the next level for your business? The possibilities are just waiting for you, and your journey can start right now. To get a head start, go visit DigitalLinkPet.com. You're going to find a ton of free tools, templates, and guides